Time is almost up to find the missing sub that disappeared on an excursion to the Titanic. Experts think 5 people on board could run out of oxygen first thing tomorrow morning. Earlier today, Canadian sound buoys picked up noises, but those turned out to be inconclusive. As NBC's Tom Costello reports tonight, specialized ships have now gathered in the search zone, some of them carrying equipment capable of exploring extreme depths.
900 miles east of Massachusetts, Canadian air crews continue to drop sonar buoys and report hearing unusual noise in the water both yesterday and today. Planes, ships, and drones are now aggressively searching a grid near the sunken Titanic. But so far, nothing. The Navy now reviewing all sonar contacts. Can you describe what the noise sounds like that they're hearing?
The noises have been described as banging noises, but again, they have to put the whole picture together in context, and they have to eliminate potential man-made sources other than the Titan.
Underwater acoustics experts caution the ocean is noisy. Heavy ship traffic, even fish and whales can sound like tapping. But the noise also means hope that the 5 men on board the sub are still alive, trying to communicate.
I don't think I'll be able to sleep unless we get some positive news.
In Pakistan, Muhammad Hashim is a friend of businessman Shahzada Dawood, who's on board with his son Suleiman.
I'm just watching TV for the last 48 hours and just keeping my fingers crossed and still have a hope that he will come back. Inshallah, Allah will make some miracle happen and he will make it.
The Titan sub is about the size of a minivan with room for 5 and a toilet with a privacy curtain. This Ocean Gate photo shows it's relatively cramped. Only one person can fully extend his legs at a time. Crews generally have sandwiches and water for a 6 to 8 hour trip. Aaron Newman is an Ocean Gate investor who's gone to the Titanic in Titan.
We're going where humans have rarely gone. So, we're pushing the limits of things. And so, it's not a Disney World ride.
But a former employee mutually settled a lawsuit with Ocean Gate after being fired for claiming the sub wasn't certified to go so deep. And 36 submersible experts expressed concern that the design was potentially catastrophic.
Now, the Coast Guard estimates their air will run out at 6 a.m. tomorrow. That's our time. If rescuers are able to find the submersible, officials have a recompression chamber on a ship that they can immediately try to use for anyone who's been exposed to that deep ocean pressure. In case you missed it,